Okay, so it's a big hello from Cross Keys Campus, Coleg Gwent, ILS students who want to say hello. Our message is here to the Welsh Assembly. We're doing our bit to clean up our campus, to make sure that it's litter free and look after our wildlife. This is our message to you.
We are students from Cross Keys and we want to make a difference, please.
We are cleaning up campus, doing open, animals they will never quit.
Lions, tigers, monkeys and spirits destroyed by the human race, but numbers are scarce. We are young, we are willing, but there's only so much we can do. We're doing our bit, but what about you?
Climate is changing and happening, the world is getting up, animals dying, how can it stop?
You can make a difference, you can make it stop. The government has so much power, we don't want to